Hello, everyone. Many thanks for allowing us to intrude on your time today. My name is David Robson, and I'm the VP of Marketing at Emergys LLC. So, very briefly about Emergys, we are a digital transformation and innovation company with locations in the United States, Canada, Mexico, and India. As part of the Axient group of companies, we describe ourselves as a local company with large company resources. We have depth and breadth of experienced resources. We focus on digital innovation and transformation for our clients. We treat every customer as if they are our only customer. So, as well as our own solutions and services, we have strategic alliances with industry-leading software vendors, such as SAP. We are an SAP Gold Partner and Certified Center of Expertise, and major automation, AI, and cloud partners, such as IBM, Google, Microsoft, AWS, Automation Anywhere, UiPath, and Blue Prism. However, rather than wax lyrical about the extensive virtues of SAP and our implementation and upgrade expertise, I thought I would like to use this time to talk about robotic process automation, or the digital workforce. As you'll know, robotic process automation, or RPA, is the application of technology that allows a company to configure computer software, or a robot, to capture and interpret existing applications for processing a transaction, manipulating data, triggering responses, and communicating with other digital systems. New studies demonstrate that 45% of today's common work tasks could be automated through RPA, and more than $2 trillion of workforce could be redeployed. Process automation uses technologies such as presentation layer automation software to mimic the steps of a process without compromising the existing IT infrastructure in order to expedite back office tasks such as IT, finance, HR, or shared services. By the way, these are all great candidates for automation. RPA from Emergys uses artificial intelligence, cognitive technology, and machine learning to handle high-volume, repeatable tasks, while a cloud infrastructure ensures availability, flexibility, and security. Virtual workers replicate the specific actions a human would take while working with IT systems, the decisions they make, and the logical processes they follow while interacting between different systems and applications. And as RPA is industry and technology agnostic, from financial and manufacturing to high-tech and professional services, any company can reap the benefits of automation. Although, as an SAP Gold Partner, Emergys has pre-configured some basic scenarios for SAP, which act as accelerators for any existing SAP customers. Here we showcase just some Emergys use cases. Clearly, it's hard to demonstrate the sheer awesomeness in the single graphic, but I'll trust your collective imaginations. Just some examples here are invoice reconciliation, travel expense reconciliation, interpretation of scanned HR documents and upload to ERP, government tenders search and download, master data comparison, creation, and synchronization across multiple systems, sales order creation from multiple format input files, sales segmentation by brand, route, and business role. The good news is that unlike most IT endeavors, RPA's growth relies on simplicity and rapid ROI, with no need for massive upfront investment and no significant changes to your current IT infrastructure. RPA can learn from people, eventually taking over the processes that humans once completed, only at a much faster pace. It's estimated that by 2025, 25% of all work tasks will be executed by automated robot, freeing up valuable human resources to perform the higher value work. Emergys recognize that all businesses are different, with unique challenges and unique opportunities. Emergys consultants will help you identify the best first steps in your automation journey. With practiced and repeatable methodologies, we'll help you identify the areas that will have the greatest impact for you and your business. Typical processes that RPA can positively and quickly impact are things like repetitive tasks, things carried out multiple times a day, high volume transactions, processing of lists and storage of lists, ERP and other back office transactions, periodic reporting, data entry, data analysis, and data synchronization across systems, mass email generation, archiving and extraction. But really, the list is limited only by the imagination. Partnering with leading automation vendors, Blue Prism, Automation Anywhere, and UiPath, Emergys will help you select the automation platform and business processes that deliver the greatest benefits to your business. We'll collaborate to institutionalize a digital workforce for your company. And finally, we will effect knowledge transfer to your own teams. We do all of this through our comprehensive end-to-end suite of robotic automation services. Recommendations for establishing internal RPA vision and strategy, business process analysis and prioritization, platform evaluation and licensing, adoption of Emergys RPA assets, and then development and implementation services of consultant augmentation, user training, and support services. All of these activities are designed to ensure that you get maximum and fastest ROI possible, with knowledge transfer to your own personnel if that's what you desire. This technology is not brand new, but is evolving rapidly as people think of new and innovative ways to use it. However, the benefits are tangible and already recognized in the industries. Benefits such as cost saving, reducing costs for automation and application development by 80%. Time savings, reduce time to perform tasks by 80 to 90%. Integration, runs on top of existing IT infrastructures and requires no IT transformation. Local competency, utilizing in-house expertise and control. Scalability, solutions that grow as your business expands. And higher quality, increasing quality by reducing human errors. We all understand that the future of the workplace is still far from certain. This year, at least 35% of the workers will be remote for the entire year. According to a recent McKinsey survey of technology executives, efforts to become a digital enterprise have accelerated globally by 7 years just based on the events of the past year alone. This is driving a rapid move to cloud, next-gen technology, and automation. As business leaders, you're presented with the opportunity to make huge strides to achieve digital transformation faster through automation in the cloud. With these trends converging, the need for streamlined back office, back-end operations with automation is fast becoming one of the main focus areas of technology leaders. Bringing the cloud and automation together is where technology leaders who Emergys work with are seeing the big gains in driving transformative change. It's possible to achieve exponential improvement in productivity across your workforce. Once you've taken those first steps, we're convinced that you will become automation converts. Emergys will help you to build and execute your automation roadmap. The business executives that we've worked with tend to scale their automation agenda with certain drivers in mind. First, continuous evolution of RPA to the next set of users to allow more employees in the organization to leverage RPA for productivity gains and driving business outcomes. Next, an overall goal to keep supporting the business with the latest innovative technologies that help them remain agile and effective in competitive situations. And finally, cost and resource efficiency. Your IT team may already be so overburdened that they lack the bandwidth to build and maintain new use cases for every business unit. What do you do when you're resource constrained but pressured to scale? I hope that my evangelizing has convinced you, or some of you, that every business can benefit by introducing and aggressively utilizing the digital workforce of robotic process automation, and that Emergys is the company you need to guide you. As a reminder, we're also the team you want for all things SAP. Emergys is a digital transformation company. We want to help you define and execute a successful automation strategy. Let's talk. My name is David Robson, and I thank you so much for your attention today. Thank you.